There are so many templates in Notion, but the truth is, Notion is not an AI chatbot or a task tracker, or not just only one note-taking app. There is a lot more thing in Notion, but overall, we need one template that does it all. So I had to draw a line, a sharp one to break the pattern. Not just another template, but a direction. A system that cuts through the noise and keeps only what actually matters. Introducing BrainOS, a second brain, so your real brain can rest and focus on thinking something better. This system is built on 8 strong pillar, not optional, not decorative, essential. Let's start with where everything starts, project management. Now I know what you are thinking, there are already 100 project management templates in Notion, and you are right, I checked them all, they're all same. But I needed something different, more structured, better visual, easy to stay focused on. I built it. Beautifully simple. It's all started with a project name and a clean visual custom built-in calendar, so your deadline is never out of your sight. And the most important thing is task status. That's it, no noise. Just what's the project when it's due and where does it stand. That's all you need to move a project forward, because focus isn't about doing more, it's about knowing exactly where to look. Next up, task manager. How is it different than others? Simple. Yes, you heard it right. It's simple but functional, and most importantly, it's connected to your project manager. It's all listed with the timeline view, one clean shot, your task, your timeline, and then 4 main task view. Nothing less, nothing more. Let's take an example. Inbox. This is where you'll find all of your incomplete tasks, unfinished everything waiting right here in one place. But it doesn't stop there. Every task is based on by priority. You are never guessing what to work on next. You already know. And the best part? The reminder. A live countdown. It counts exactly how many days you have left to go to your goal. Not just a list of dreams, not something you write and forget. Being proactive means nothing if you don't know where you are going. Goal and vision. You have 3 simple views. That's it. No confusion. And you define the area of your life. It could be your personal growth, or maybe it's time to focus on your career. And then progress bar. It's telling you that you're not falling behind. Or maybe you have already fallen. Who cares? Of course I do. That's why I built this rectangle for you. But goals don't happen on their own. They break down into action. Every goal is connected to a dedicated action system, because goals are not about the intention, they are about execution. Wait, hold on. To accomplish your goal, you must need to take the control of your habits. Habit shapes your life, and truth to be told, most habit tracker in Notion, they didn't work for me. They feel disconnected. Like ticking boxes without meaning anything. I needed something different, something that connects me to my day. I create it. It looks simple, right? That's intentional. This is not a place for chaos. I want everything meaningful. That progress bar of your habit and the date. Even that small circle empty when you have done nothing. Halfway when you have done just enough. And full only when you have truly completed what matters. Even the day type is something to be counted, and it's important. Then journaling? It shouldn't feel like a burden. You don't have to write everything. Just write what you feel, what you want, that is yours. As time passes by, you can come back and see it all. In your chart, your week, month, or year. It's a preview of your life, of your day, every single day. And remember, I said your day type counts too. Yes, it is your day type that counts. And a day without reading is a wasted day. And I don't want that for you, so I built a library. It's not just a book tracker, but a true library, a very organized one. Let's start with the daily check-in, a simple system built on a mini calendar. A calendar to check in your daily reading status and the book you are currently reading, or you can input any book you want, you're not missing anything. And then activities, it's also a track record. Every session, every page, everything counts. And then reading status, the book you are currently reading or you want to read. Or maybe you have already finished reading, everything with the details that you need to keep in your mind. And one more thing, it's the important lesson or any quote from the book. You can mark it as favorite. And finally, we need to keep some notes that is separate from the books. Note taking is kind of boring in Notion, and I have something to share with you. First thing you see, status. So you always know what's in progress and what's done. No guessing, no digging. And sometimes you don't want to open the whole thing. So there is a preview, plus the last time you worked on that note. Categories? Yes, quick access, no struggling. And then collection, a home for every note, every idea, every thought. Put anything in the right collection and you will be never lost in the chaos. Speaking of chaos, let's visit something completely opposite. Finance. Simple. It should be simple. It has to be simple. Open an account and then track everything down. Your income. The day it's coming, the source it's coming from. Expenses? You can't build wealth without knowing where the money goes. And then, subscription. Lot of them, right? Easy to manage here. And a little reminder of what's coming. And exactly the categories are eating your money. Now, are you looking for something colorful? Wishlist. Your life should be colorful. And your wishlist? That's what gives it meaning. Full of options, full of possibilities. You won't miss a single thing. Your favorite brand or your favorite items. Price doesn't matter here. Everything is sorted by what you can actually afford right now. Let's look inside Tech and Gadget. Oh, one item is still waiting to be bought. $1,600. Let's see what it is. A MacBook, of course. And one day left to buy it. Okay. Don't forget to install your BrainOS first once you get that MacBook. One dashboard. That's all you need. It covers everything. Everything we just walked through. Check the link in the description. You'll find your BrainOS waiting for you. See you. Bye bye.